Hi there, I'm Christian, I'm the CEO of AMT, and today I'm going to walk you through our new creator discovery product. So we built this because all of the team at AMT have done creator discovery manually before, and we've used some of the existing tools out there, but we felt that none of them were solving the real problem, which is that creator performance is not dictated by metrics like reach and engagement rate, but instead by deeply submetric metrics such as creator content and style, audience alignment, and brand fit. AMT's creator discovery product is fundamentally different. It uses AI agents to discover and evaluate millions of creators by watching their content and making judgments about whether it's a good fit for your brand, just like an employee would. The agent learns continuously over time based on provided brand feedback, so it gets better at understanding your brand over time. The result is that brands have a scalable way to discover and vet creators without doing any manual work, allowing you to free up time to be spent on campaign strategy. So how does it work? In the AMT platform, creators are sourced and vetted against brand-defined creator personas. You can think of these creator personas as abstract profiles which define your ideal creator in terms of audience, content, and style, allowing you to segment creators into groups so that you can test them independently and also customize your messaging to each persona. So here we're in the AMT brand, and there are lots of different personas, so we can also create a new one. There are a few different methods. We can use the AI suggested ones, an agent, which is a kind of chat interface that helps you create the ideal persona, and import one if you create it outside of AMT. So for now, we're going to check this box to see the suggested personas, and we're going to wait a few minutes while the AI goes away and does this. So the system has now suggested a number of personas which we can use, which are aligned to the brand. So it's gone out and researched the brand and has come up with these suggestions. So for now, I'm going to skip these and view a persona we created earlier. So creator personas are composed of four main parts. So first is the description. So this is a natural language description, saying the audience, the content, and the style of the creator you're looking for. You have traditional sourcing filters, which are things like age, gender, location, and example creators. So these are creators which you feel represent this persona well, and these are used for lookalikes. And then vetting questions. So these are any questions that evaluate a true or false, which you want the AI to evaluate the creator against. So we've defined 5 here. So some are like, does the creator regularly create tools that do reviews, demos, compare software? Is the creator English? Is it brand safe? So these can be anything. So firstly, we're going to do test. So we can test the vetting questions and the persona against specific creators. So I'm just going to do The Rock, and then we can vet that one creator. Obviously, The Rock is not a good creator for this persona, so we expect it to evaluate to false, and yet which it has, and then we can look through the reasoning. So some of them it has passed. Obviously, the creator is English, but it hasn't met some of the other vetting questions we set up here. So then after you've done some iteration, tested your persona, we can want to then find thousands of creators which match it. So this is what sourcing runs do. So sourcing runs find and vet creators autonomously. So here we've done a run of 500, but you can also click on this and see lots of the runs from the past. So for each run, it's going to show you the justification about why it's approved or rejected each creator. So we can click into this one here. You've got some stats about the creator, their content, and then the justification about why the creator was approved. So in this way, brands are able to source and evaluate creators autonomously using AI. If you want to try AMT's creator discovery product, we're giving away 100 sourced and vetted creators away for free. Head to the link in the comments to find out more.